Training solution. This is another video that talks about how to work on a Python project specifically. This can be about sales automation, and here's the solution video for it. So first of all, we're gonna go to the Python and just try to import all of the resources and the libraries. Then we're gonna go and get like the directory of the current location, and then we're gonna try to join to get like the template path and the dataset path. After that, just read the Excel, try to drop duplicate and drop like NA to clean out the data, no duplicates, no missing fields from like sales order number, vendor ID, vendor name. And then we're gonna try to make another function which is generate sales orders, and our variable here is gonna be row. What it's doing, it's gonna be to load the workbook and try to use the template name is SO. Then we're gonna try to fill out the specific sales value with the date and then the sales order number, vendor ID, and this gonna change for each different Excel templates for our sales order. And then we're gonna try to use the while loop to actually basically try to make a dynamic line items. So for example, if you have 3 different products, they're gonna be 3 different line items, and like for like the next sales order, if there's 4 products, then there should be 4 line items. That's what a dynamic function should be. And then after that, we're gonna try to write out the name of the Excel file for our sales order, and this should change based on the sales order number. And this is how you do it with the F function. And then after that, we're just gonna try to apply the function generate sales order, and we're gonna print out just to make sure that all of the codes has completely successfully generated sales orders. Thank you for trying out the challenge, and good luck.